Good evening, children. If I ask you who is the tallest and shortest person in your family, I'm pretty sure each of you will be able to give me an answer. I'm not going to ask you that, but I'm going to ask you to show the gestures as you see in this picture. All right? So for taller, you're going to show like this. Okay? For shorter, you're going to show like this. If I show you some objects shorter, you're going to show like this. And if I show you some objects lengthier, you're going to show like this to represent longer. Okay? Once again, this picture represents what? Johnny, can you tell me? Very good. Taller. And this gesture represents what? Shorter. This gesture represents what? Longer. And this gesture represents what? Shorter. Very good. Alright. I wanted to look at this picture and show me the gesture, okay? Here I have two girls standing right here. One is Sophia and the other one is Nancy. Alright? You have to tell me whether Sophia is shorter or taller than the other girl. Alright? So if Sophia is taller, you have to use the word taller. If she's shorter, you're going to use the word shorter. Remember the gestures that I showed you? You have to use the gestures. Y'all are ready? You're going to raise your hand. I'm going to call out the names. Alright. Sophia is dash then the other girl. What's the name? Nancy. Alright. So, what is the answer? Can you tell me? The student at the back. Alright. Sophia is, show the gesture, taller. Wonderful, wonderful. Let's go to the next one. This time I'm going to show you two objects. Alright. What object first? What is the first object you see? A marker. The other one is a crayon. Alright. This time you're going to show the gestures like this. Longer or shorter. Alright. Marker is longer than the crayon. Right? Alright. So who can tell me in the reverse order? Alright. Johnny at the back, can you give me an answer for this? Alright. Marker and the crayon. You have to start with this object, crayon, okay? So crayon, show the gesture. Wonderful. Crayon is shorter than the marker. Awesome. Now, for our lesson today, I'm going to start out with the river picture. You all see the river picture right here? Alright. So what you're going to do is you're going to use the number cubes and build the bridges for this river, okay? Probably you can think that there is a bear standing right here trying to cross the river. Alright? So at this time, everybody take the Ziploc bag that I've given. You can see the number cubes. I wanted to build the bridges. The time starts now. Go ahead. Alright. Time ended. Everybody look at the bowl. Alright. Johnny, can you tell me how many cubes you used to build the bridges? Oh, yours is exactly looking like this. Alright. Alright. Nancy, can you tell me how many number cubes you used? Oh, blue one? Okay. So you use a blue one. It is like you build a bridge like this. Very good. All right. Student at the back, can you please tell me how many number cubes you used to build the bridge? 3. All right. See, there are like 3 different types of bridges that were built by you guys over this river so the bear can cross the river. Wonderful. And here you see the blue bridge is, remember the gesture that we used? Longer. Okay, so the blue bridge is longer, right? Then the yellow bridge right here, right? Here the yellow bridge is longer than the red bridge, okay? Johnny, can you tell me the same thing in the reverse order? There you go. The red bridge is shorter than the yellow bridge. The yellow bridge is shorter than the blue bridge. Wonderful, wonderful. Good job, good job. All right. So for today's lesson, we're gonna compare the number cubes, okay? I have some number cubes right here. This is what you're gonna be using. Everybody look at the Ziploc bag. All of you are going to be put up in the groups, all right? Group A, Group B, Group C, Group D, all right? Each of you will make your own number cube, okay? So you're gonna make a cube stick, all right? And do you see the numbers in the Ziploc bag? You have to match that number, okay? You have to count the number of number cubes based on the number that you have in your Ziploc bag, okay? Now the time starts. Everybody open your Ziploc bag and make your cube stick based on the number that you got, okay? Time starts now. All right. Time is over. All right, I want Johnny and Nancy to tell me the number of cubes that you use to make your number cubes. All right, Johnny, you said what? Seven number cubes you used? All right. How about Nancy? What you said? 4? Okay, 7 stick versus 4 stick. So Johnny used 7 stick, Nancy used 4 number cubes to make her stick. Now we're going to compare these two. So Johnny's number cube, which is having 7 number cubes, is, who can fill it out? Remember the guesses that we used at the beginning of the lesson? Longer than the 4 stick. Alright? So this is how you all made, right? So this is 7 number cubes stick. Right? And this is the 4 number cube stick. Awesome. Very good. But make sure to compare. You have to make sure the number cubes are sitting on they're aligned on the same line. Alright? Wonderful, y'all did a good job. And now I want you to come over here and stand in 2 different groups. The whole class, you're gonna stand in 2 different groups right here in a line. Now you're gonna look at your shoulder partner and you're gonna compare and say the statement. Alright, ready? Time starts now. Everybody get up, stand in 2 lines, group A here, group B here. Just 2 groups. Now look at your shoulder partner and compare your stick with your partner's stick and say whether it's longer or shorter. Your time starts now. Great. Y'all did a good job. Wonderful. Y'all give a round of applause to yourself. For our task 2, what we're gonna do is everybody, all of you got your recording sheet. You're gonna put your number stick on the top and you're gonna count how many number cubes you used to make your cube stick. All right, and then you're gonna put it out like this. Y'all can see right here. So this is what you're gonna do. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put the dots, and then whoever the shorter partner's number cube, you place it right there and count how many. And then you're gonna make a statement, say which one is longer, which one is shorter, okay? And you're gonna complete this worksheet as well as a group, and then you're gonna share it to the whole class, all right? Go back to your groups and complete the work, complete the task that I gave. I will come around and help you. All right, children, y'all did a wonderful job. Now we're gonna wrap up. All right, what did we learn today? What are the 2 keywords we learned? Longer and shorter. Very good. How did you decide which one is longer and which one is shorter? Based on the number of cubes. All right, raise your hand. Yes, Johnny. How did you decide which one is longer? What? If there are more number of cubes, then it is longer. If it has the less number of cubes, then you're gonna call it as shorter. Wonderful. Thank you, children. But make sure that you complete this worksheet as a homework if you're not able to complete it today.